Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Tixlionare choice art skin and face it like this one. First, just go to the classic island, and then once you're on the island, just open your quest menu on the classic event, and then in here you will see a list of simple tasks that you need to complete. Its completed quest will reward you with ticks, and then just keep complete every quest that you see. Just complete it until you have enough ticks to unlock the Tixlionare choice art skin. And once you reach the requirement, just simply unlock it, and then you will instantly receive the rod skin in your inventory like this. The rod skin will look like this. It's so cool. And okay, maybe that's it. It's super simple, and enjoy your brand new super clean rod skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.